This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial. Welcome to Kusum.NET. You are watching part 3, creating your first ASP.NET MVC application. So in this session you will learn creating an ASP.NET MVC application, understand how MVC request is processed as opposed to ASP.NET web form request. There are two types of project you can run: web form and MVC controller method. Okay, so how to do this, please see here. So in MVC there is controllers. Inside of controller you can write methods, functions are called actions methods. Okay, here I have used this link and running the program and displaying this, but before this I will explain you how to write the program. So I am starting my Visual Studio and create one project using .NET Framework 4.6.1 ASP.NET MVC application. Project name is MVC demo. Okay, path is Kusum.NET folder, and in MVC sub application subfolder there is my application will be saved. Now I will select empty MVC application. Okay, and click on OK. Alright guys, my application is now running, and you can see here controllers folder, models folders, views folder. Later in the application, later videos I will explain you about models and views and controllers. Okay, but now I will create one new controller. Right click on controller, add controller, MVC5 controller empty, add, give the name, suppose default controller, leave it. So my application is running now, and you can see here the action result. This action result is a function, and this index is a function name, and you have here have created default controller. Okay, this default controller is inherited from a base controller. Okay, now in place of this function I will use string method, right? So string return welcome to MVC application. Okay. Now I will run this, first save this program and run it. This is MVC application, and I am writing this method into the default controller. Okay, method name is index. This will create error. Because I have not created index view page. Okay. Why? The resource cannot be found because I have not created index page of this method. So right click on this to create a page. Right click on this. Before it, you have to stop debugging. Right click on index, add view, index empty without model, no problem, and layout. So this is your view page, and here I will give title MVC application. Okay, now after creating this view page, I will run the program once again. You can see here I have got the response string welcome to MVC application, and this URL is this is your localhost 6708 is your server name, and default is your controller name, and index is your method. Whatever I explain here, you can see here. This is my URL string, and this is server name, and this is project name, this is controller, and this index method is here, and the response welcome to AMVC application is there, right? Now I want to create this application in with application name. So here this localhost server name is displayed, but after that I have to add the project name and then controller name, then index. So what I will do for that I will right click on properties and click on web, and here what is my project name? MVC demo. So I will write here MVC demo. Create virtual directory. So whenever the project will be run, it will run with a link of project name, or you can see MVC demo. Controller name is default and method name is index. I have not saved this, so first because star is shown, when I save it and then run it, it will automatically get, right? It will automatically get the project name because I have set in the property. Whenever project will be run, it will display project name into the link, right? Now my server name and the project name is included here, and when I write the controller name default and method name index, it will run the project. If I remove this index method and display run the program, it will also run because by default it is taken index as a method. Okay, so no need to type if you use index word in the function. Okay, same like that. Now I want to create one project, another project, or in the same project I want to create a web form, because I want to show you what is the difference between web form and MVC method, MVC controller method. So add web form. Okay, this is web form 1. This is my web form page. Now no need to create index page. Here I was created index page, but here in the web form it is automatically created. But to write at code side, you will select view code and write here. What you will write? Response dot write welcome to web form 1. Saved it, and inside of project name property, right click it, properties, web, in place of MVC demo, same MVC demo. This project is same, so no need to change. Okay, now go to webform1.hpx.cs, run your project. Your project is running now, and guys, you can see here the response is received. But what is the difference between these two? Here is project name, server name, then project name MVC demo, then the page name, file name. Okay, where in web form, and in MVC project, what happened? There is server name, then project name, then controller name. Okay, and then index name. So in place of file name, here is controller name. Right? So this is your web form 1 design page, and web form 1 have the link as a server name, project name, and file name. This is your file name, web form 1, and in MVC project, in the link there is server name, project name, then controller name, and then index name. And this index is a method. Inside of that, whatever you write, that will be displayed. So guys, if you like this video, and if you are a new subscriber, please first subscribe it, and if you already subscribed, then please like my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for listening my video.